Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm really looking forward to this hairstyle. I think it's gonna be so cute. And I'm excited to listen to some music. It's like 7:30 in the morning. I'm going to the fair today. And I'm just getting this out the way. This hair, I will have every bit of instructions on how I got it to this point and the details on this hair. I will have it all written out in the description box. The process that I did to get it to look like this, like where it is right now, blown out and straightened from the curly clip-ins that I always use, it was just like really an unnecessarily long process. I'll explain why I didn't make a whole video. I'll explain how I got it like this, and I'll explain where this hair is from in the description box. But this video is just for curling my hair and listening to music. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Today we're listening to, I just kind of feel like listening to music I know the words to, so I might be jumping around. No specific genre really. I just want to listen to music that I know the words to. So the past 2 days I blow dried my hair. I blow dried these clip-ins, straightened them. I straightened my leave-out that I left out, and then last night I slept with it like this in these like Bantu knots. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and take them down.
I know you want me, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah. You want this, I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience, but you know I could never lie, come through.
So don't I look so different with like long, straighter hair? I feel like this is how I used to look in like high school, kind of not so fluffy hair, but like, wow, I just feel so different, but I'm really feeling it. So yeah, I would just recommend, like, I'm considering getting some myself, just like straight clip-ins, because it can do it, but it's not like it gets tangly. I don't know, I guess it's preference, but this is what the Coil curl clip-ins look like, blow dried and straightened. So yeah, so I have my top out, I have the sides, and then I have some in the back out. This is my hair. Wait, maybe I should. So yeah, this is my hair right here, and then yeah. So y'all know this hair blends so good with my hair, and the color is great. So I have some hairspray and some like oil treatment thing. I'll have the names of this in the description box, and then I have this curling iron. I think this is like an inch. Also, last thing, 2 days ago I fell asleep with my contacts in, and it really irritated my eye, so I have like this little cold paper towel just to like keep over my eye to kind of soothe it, because I'm trying to wear my contacts tonight, and it's just been bothering me for the past day, so I might be like this. Let's move on to the next song.
Drink some matcha in the morning, then I wipe down my steel. Ay, just hit a lake for a that's a. Should I trap? Should I rap? I don't know. Off top. Should I trap? Should I rap? I don't know.
Love, get out, what up? I wanna help, but what you want for some niggas really don't want for themselves. If I don't leave, I'ma get stuck, so I speak off. We talk barely, and it seems awkward, and I
had to switch gears on a fishtail in the rear view mirror on a sky. I had to switch gears on them, you know, swerve, left turn, steering wheel on them.
It's one of my favorite songs.
Hey Kyle, oh yeah, it's me, dude. I wanna know if me and my pride can squeeze through. See, I don't socialize much, but I need to. Can't you see that my mood ring is see-through? Now all my tendencies again, just like my dad now. Sitting on the bench and now I'm finally up to bat now. I gotta get a hit to sit back down, back down. Mama moved to Vegas, I just hope she comes back now. Only way I see my cousin Damie's through the glass. I've been under pressure, I can finally see the cracks. When I fall apart, I know she right there with the tape. Save me. A lot of my loved ones save me. If you know a place, babe, take me.
My elbows stay ashy. Have I played this song before?
Like maybe I'ma miss you after autumn and all of the falling collars and ringers when stingers hitting my telly and telly page of my beat for the reefer got me like, whoa, slow down. Everything is everything, a cigarette for wedding ring, and tell me that you love me and love me tomorrow. The matrimony catalyst for secondary, get to know me in Chicago, how I go where you stay. An orthodox paradox and a paradox with an oversight to a merry clock.
The crazy thing is it's raining right now, like it was thunderstorming yesterday. and I'm supposed to be going to an outdoor thing, you know, the fair outside. I don't know why I've decided to do this, but anyways, I'm gonna move to SoundCloud because I want to listen to one of my favorite songs.
Trying to interlope and I can't go. Hold on. Free ain't what cheap is, nigga. That's $700 jacket purchase some Barney's and hurt in my pocket. Condo on my wrist has never really been a goal of mine. Less goldy, more dolomite. I look around, the quality probably won't suffice. I don't condone a roll of dice on this one, fam. Patience. You wanna understand my truth and just come through my statements. Till it's
One of my all-time favorite songs.
Making things seem convoluted, taking simple, throwing it out the window. You forgoing the emotional hope I may have had in a single impulsive decision. So I don't come, girl, won't you take out your rifle, shoot down all my high points and start with me. I used to be, find me a place.
Beautiful. I was gonna play this song and it played it for me. This is my favorite. Alright. Sweater Brother by The Neighborhood is probably my all-time favorite song. Like if I had to pick one song to listen to for the rest of the year, for the rest of my life, I think it would be this one. I've loved this song since I was like, I don't know, whenever it came out, when I was like 13, 14. Oh my gosh.
One love, two mouths, one love, one house, no shirt, no blouse, just us, you find out, nothing I really want to tell you about, no. Say, sometimes the silence guides our minds to move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to raise, the minute that my left hand meets your waist.
Searching for the thrill of it. All alone, we are calling. But I'll never see. The love you found in me. He still burns. He's going the distance.
Okay. Y'all, I said it was raining. The power is going out. Why is it raining so badly? I'll come back when it comes back on.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find.
Beautiful. Yes, I've been wanting to listen to this.
I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had it out. You're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my world.
Okay, so some of the back sections, I took slightly too big sections, so I'm just going back in taking smaller sections, but I'm only going over pieces with my hair once because most of it's going to be covered up, so it don't really matter how that looks. It'll be fine. But yeah, some of them I didn't get. Yeah. Okay, to the front, hold on. I know what I'm gonna listen to next.
Fergalicious definition make them boys go loco.
Hit it, Fergie.
All the time I turn around.
Did I play this song already? In the last one? I can't remember.
How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? Treat me like my birthday. I want it this way. I want it that way. I want it. 'Cause you will tell me every morning. Right. I'm lost without you.
I don't know the words.
You look at my girl.
say I have a new girlfriend. Secret handshake, and she loves the music that my.
We're back. I just had to take a brief intermission because to charge my phone and to switch my battery. But yeah, so we're looking cute. You know, I've been in the mirror. I'm loving it. The hair feels soft, even though like I've done so much to it. It feels soft and it's so light and like so fluffy. Y'all know this is how I love my stretch styles to be, like fluffy and stuff. But yeah, I'm in love. I love it. Like holiday hairstyle. I love it. It's so cute.
Oh, well imagine with a sense of poison rushing out.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure.
Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Work your body, let me see you 1, 2 step. Don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor.
Alright, if you don't know this song, you should know this song.
Got your joint is in rotation. Check the syncopation. Deep off in these waters, never needed no flotation devices. It's more than one trick up my sleeve. Tank tops can't hang. I ain't never even gang bang. You get comfortable.
You ain't even gotta ask me, I'm classy. Pina colada with a blue Laffy Taffy. I'm rapping and save a life, get that Apache. Indian Remy on the scalp coming out. Book reading prophecy before the sun goes down and the meaning of life becomes obsolete.
So as y'all can see, this is what it looks like when it's like first done, and then it kind of expands to this. Also, I forgot to say I have a mixture of my 22-inch clip-ins and my 18-inch clip-ins. So 22's at the bottom, and then I did 18 at the top since it would blend with my hair better. So like this is an 18-inch piece, and my hair is right here. So my hair like stops right here. So it blends really well, so I don't have like pieces sticking out. So, and if I had just done the 18, because I used about almost all of the 22 and a few of the 18. So this is like the length of the 18, and then this is the length of the 22. We're done. Hey. So this is what it would look like if you blow dried, straightened, wand curled your hair, and coil curl clip-ins from Melange Hair. So I really enjoy it. Like, although it was a lot of work, it was definitely worth it. And I don't regret doing it. Honestly, there's like ways to work around the clips. Like, you have to keep them extremely defined with product and not let them get matted and the ends kind of curl up in themselves, or else you'll be sitting there detangling for forever. But I'll leave all the stuff in the description box, because the 22-inch clip-ins acted a little differently than the 18. There was way more shedding in the 22-inch. It was kind of like appalling. So I think it was because I was an ultra set and it's supposed to have like more hair. So I just probably made differently. I'm in love. I'm going to put flexi rods in and hang out with that in my head for the rest of the day until it's time to go. I'm also filming a get ready with me today, so y'all see like the finished product, because I'm probably gonna do something to my edges and then put on makeup and stuff. And my eye is feeling better, so I should be good. I'll keep the patch on as long as I can. But yeah, this is the finished look. Hope y'all enjoyed my music. I played some of my favorite songs. My favorite artist is Mick Jenkins, if you didn't know. And so I played a few of his songs. I played some of my favorite alternative songs. Alternative was my favorite genre of music up until like junior year probably. And then some old music, some older like 2000s. So yeah, this was like a random one, but that's just what I felt like listening today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I will see y'all next time. Bye. beautiful. Toodaloo.